you like this food? No.
No,
What is your
dislike.
So what is your favorite?
Aroma. I don't know.
It's now famous.
Yuk masuk. Salah satu
Famous
beda
enough.
kak tadi.
They are
Welcome back to Smart Up Your Life. Grab your confidence in speaking English. And smart listener, how much do you love the local brand of Indonesia? And talking about the local brand, buying local brand or local product, it is one of our it is one of the way we show our nationality. But sometimes in some condition we have to not buy the local product. Okay, but guys, buying something as a shopaholic maybe, or as a citizen, yes, sometimes we when we want to buy something, sometimes we didn't see where the brand is coming. Yeah, you got it. But the first thing we see is the price. Yes.
Sure.
So except the price, if you want to buy something, either it is a local brand or international product, so what do you what things that you have to think as a comparison for the brand, for the product, except the price itself. From Mrs. Dewi, maybe if you buy something.
Yeah, I cannot deny that not all of my stuff, whether especially my outfit, that I'm wearing, the whole is from local brand, but like today, this is from a local brand. This one too, and my shirt too, unless my shoes and unless my watch, and of course the special one is a cell phone, because we cannot find gadget from Indonesian made, because Indonesia still
Yes,
has
My
no
phone
skill for
too.
that.
made in China.
And I'm still, like, it's about how I need, but that's not about how I take the quality or unquality, especially because I'm a mother, and whether if there is a spare time that I have to buy some stuff for my interior homes. Of course, I'm looking for the cheaper one, and I have to be ready for the risk that maybe it's not going to be longer, temporary. For that stuff is good, for longer. It means that, like, if I suppose that I buy like a chair or a table, I have to be ready maybe in at least minimum 6 months or 1 year or 2 years. It could be survive, and because I'm not a typical that I have to buy an expensive things unless for the urgent situation, and I don't care about it is import or not, but it's about how it is limited editions. So I can like, I'm honest that I have some stuff that maybe it's a little bit expensive, but it's worth it to the price, because not only limited edition, but also the models that only produce around, like, especially my shoes. I'm a shoes addict actually. That is the shoes only produce around 1,000 in the world for the import brand. So that's it.
Okay. So what about you, Mr. Isan? To compare the product.
In my point of view, our nation product has a quality, and our nation has a capability, and our task as a society to support them, and we gonna
use and support a local brand, so that those are can be recognized whether in nationality and also in international. So in addition, we can provide the new job opportunities if we support and buy local product.
Yes, yes.
Because the more we use the local product, business group will be created
Yeah.
widely.
Yeah. I see. But if you want to buy something, to compare, if you have to compare the product, Indonesian product or international
depends.
product, what things that you to be your, how to say, deep in
Priority.
attention, priority to see except the price,
Firstly, it is coming from the quality.
Oh yes.
But as I told you that a local product has a quality too.
yeah.
So I always support a local brand.
Whoa, always support the local brand and local product. So if you, Aisha,
So actually, exactly, I will see in the price also, because we believe that the people, even if you wear clothes in the cheaper, but it is you as you have a quality like you smart people. The people don't see like the people don't give you a sense like you what to say you wear in the clothes in the cheaper clothes cheaper, for example. No, I think that exactly, you have to improve in your life, because even if you wear clothes in the cheaper, it's still okay. And based on your question, actually exactly, I will see firstly in the price. Even if this cheaper, I don't care about that, at least I can wear this product. And the second of all, sometimes I see, sometimes I will, if it is like a handphone, exactly, I will find in the quality but rather than it is just like clothes or toys, I don't care about that. And same with the Kaksan say, if it is the urgency or like phone or laptop, exactly, I will search in this phone how bagaimana kualitasnya. I think that's all, Kak. Thank you.
like based on quality, So Adele,
me too. I'm always stay from quality side, because before we buy something like stuff, we have to first see the quality from the product. This is first for me, because if I compare with example with technology, we have technology, we can competitive with another country. So this is the reason why Indonesia didn't have, I'm so sorry, this is not have a good quality. But I'm really support local product, because local product always with standard Indonesian and always give for good product for Indonesia. But I'm always prepared compared to back to quality, because if the stuff from quality is good, absolutely we use in daily life is very good, and it's really helping me in my daily life. This is good quality for me.
okay. If we can count the stuff that you wear today, all of your stuff is where the stuff coming? Is it a local brand, a local product, or an international product? If we can count from head to toe. From Adele first. From your hijab. Where is it come?
His name for one.
Okay. If we can count.
Oh my God.
For example, me, my hijab, my veil right now is coming from a local brand, local product. My shirt also is a local product, and also my trouser, also my long pants from the local product too. Until my, how to say, my sandal,
Slipper.
my slipper is from local. So all of my stuff that I wear today coming from the local product. the local brand. So what about you?
So I can count my outfit today. Okay, because I really love cheaper price.
Oh
So I support local product, yes. Okay, from FL is maybe it's no expenses, just 25,000. And my shirt, this is, I forget the price, but just 20.
Is it local or international?
This is
product?
Local. And then my, how to say, skirt maybe. This is just 15,000. Then my shoes is just 35,000.
1 million? 1 million?
No.
Oh, okay.
35,000.
Yeah, I'm so why I'm buy cheaper price for my outfit. This is not for my outfit. If your body is still healthy, you're fresh. Absolutely, what's gonna happen? What's you make? What's you wear? I mean, this is look pretty if you can keep your body.
Oh yeah. So what about you, Achang?
Okay, so actually my how to say, my pants and my dress, I forget.
Your outfit today? Where is this all
I am
coming?
here. Yeah, I forget the price, but it is from international.
Wow.
But it is KW.
Oh yes. Look at the brand. Look at the brand on the left side. Okay, international product. Well.
KW. Yeah.
So, your shirt,
So,
t-shirt. I mean,
t-shirt.
your t-shirt.
T-shirt. This is T-shirt.
Inside.
I forget this part. Oh,
T-shirt.
this.
Yeah, this is
Yeah,
shirt and this is T-shirt.
from my brother.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
You borrow your brother's
Your
stuff.
brother's company?
Yeah.
Wow, great.
Okay, so your pants.
My pants from local brand and my slipper and also from local brand.
Oh, okay. Reason?
From my shoes, my long pants, my jacket, except my polo shirt, those are a local brand.
A local brand.
Except my polo shirt,
Okay.
it's an international brand.
Wow.
Yes.
Yeah.
So much.
Mrs. Devi?
Unless my shoes, that is import brand, and the rest are local brand. Especially, I love my earrings because it's like traditional handcraft.
Oh, traditional handcraft.
Yeah, I love
From
Bali.
Bali.
Yeah, I love when I go traveling like in Jogja or in Bali. I like the handcraft like necklace or earrings. Yeah, because I love earrings.
Okay, well, so what about you, smart listener? How much do you have a local stuff or a local brand in your home? So you can tell us through our WhatsApp, or maybe you can join our live streaming on YouTube channel Smartfm Makassar.
Okay, which one? So, I want to ask people.
Outfit the KW.
KW. Itu juga anu